डॉक्टर गौरव, आज इंडिया और मंगोलिया जीटीटी सीआई और मंगोलिया फोरम का अनावरण हुआ. एम्बेसडर of Mongolia was also there. What is the essence behind this, and what is the motivation? And because we have seen that a lot of business interests have already been generated, as we see on the first day of this forum.
Today we are happy to launch this GTC India-Mongolia Forum with the ambassador has launched it in the embassy. GTC is here to promote the trade, tourism and technology between the countries. This is a great forum, and we hope this will take the new heights and take the relationship further. And today also we have released a book on Mongolia, the rich history and culture of Mongolia. It is very handy book published by our publisher Prabhat Prakashan, and it is a great book which is going to launch soon in Hindi. So it will be going to help the people to know more about Mongolia, the rich culture and history of Mongolia, our history, our past relationship, and to take it further, we have launched this forum and we have launched this book.
Gauravji, one important thing is there when Prime Minister Narendra Modi first visited, and he is the only Prime Minister of India who visited Mongolia. I guess you got inspiration from 2015 when our Prime Minister was in Mongolia, and today you made it a successful professional tie-up between the two countries, and you are as good as an ambassador of India to Mongolia as you are known there as well.
So we are working to strengthen the relationship, to promote the Indian tourism and culture also and trade also. I am fortunate we are in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the presidency of G20 Vasudev Kutumbakam. And as Prime Minister Modi has visited Mongolia, Mongolia Prime Minister also visited, and I am fortunate to meet him in this hall also in the year 2019. So it is our great relationship with the country, and we like to take it further. And today also we have launched our GTCI Insight first maiden edition of the newsletter. And we are next issue, we are Ambassador of Mongolia promised to give his views about the book. So this will again, we will spread the message across the world, which will take our relationship more strengthening and more further, and making a great friend forever.
GTT-CI has also engineered, and today we have seen a lot of business interest that has been generated, and investment, investment assurances have been given. It is also important because commerce is the first part of strengthening the relationship apart from the culture between the two countries, and the bridge that you are trying to bridge between the two countries.
Yes, we are fortunate to have the great rich culture and rich trade person and members who are from different spheres. Today one of our finance member has promised to raise the fund of $100 million for the Mongolia. Any members want to do the business, they will try to fund it and take it successfully. The other thing, we have our member Jain University who has promised 100 free scholarship for the online study from the Jain University Bangalore, and they have offered 60% of rebate on their regular studies, which is again good relationship to strengthen the relationship. India was a educational guru. Nalanda was the university 4,500 years back, but now India again emerging as a guru, education guru also. And our members on GTI front are promoting this kind of education, trade, and whatever we can do from our small efforts, we are ready to do.
It's not a small effort, it's a major step. One small step on the moon was called a major step for humankind, but we can surely say one big step that we have taken by publishing the book on Mongolian history, India-Mongolia history, and also publishing article on India and Mongolia will certainly go a long way in strengthening India-Mongolia relationship. Gauravji, congratulations to you and your team, and also the hospitality of Mongolia ambassador here, who has been very kind to give us his viewpoint on the whole subject of commerce, interest, culture, and at the same time sports and horses. We all know Jakesh Khan.
Thank you very much.